Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a new video. I actually haven't did a get ready with me in a while, but I wanted to do a get ready with me that's featuring some new products that were sent to me from Burt's Bees. And also too, I really just wanted to do a work from home look. So I have been working from home and probably will be for the unforeseeable future. And I do a lot of video calls, and then even after work I'm on like some different boards and I do some video calls, and I just want to continue to use my makeup, and I just feel so much better when I do my makeup. So I wanted to share with you my natural drugstore work from home look. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look with all drugstore products, then please stay tuned. So the first thing I always start with is primer. Even though I know, I'm not going out, I still want my makeup to last most of the day. So I'm going to use this new Burt's Bees Goodness Glows primer. So it's hydrating and illuminating. This actually reminds me of the VDL primer. I actually used it the other day and was like, oh my goodness, this gives me the exact same finish. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. The only thing I'm not crazy about with this primer is if you do have a darker complexion, you can see that it definitely gives like a whiter cast, which is annoying, to be honest. But otherwise I do like this. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of like this concealer on my nose because I have really bad redness on my nose. And I know I'm cheating, I guess, with my color correcting products. I guess Pop Beauty is affordable, but I'm just using this to color correct my under eye because even though it's just, an online meeting, I still don't want my dark circles to show. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to put on my powder foundation now. The powder foundation I'm going to be using is the Burt's Bees Mattifying Powder Foundation with Bamboo. I actually really like this. I have hit pan on this. It is on its last leg. I do find it is a little bit lighter though. Like, I definitely look paler when I use this, but I think it's a good drugstore option, to be honest. And you can see it doesn't cover everything. Like, I have like a pimple scar here, but it does give a nice kind of coverage. Like, I've used this frequently, obviously, because I've hit pan, but I think it gives like a nice enough coverage for what I'm going to be doing, so a Zoom meeting. Okay, I'm gonna do a very light eyeshadow because I still like to put on a little bit of eyeshadow because I have so many products that I just need to use up. I am gonna put eyeshadow primer on because I still like to use that, so I'm just using this cheaper one from AOA Studio. It's their Perfect Eyeshadow Primer. It actually stinks like paint. I don't really like it. That's why I use it for like days that I'm just not really doing much, because it stinks really bad. And I actually noticed that in terms of longevity, it doesn't do a whole lot, but what can you do for $1? The next product I like to use, this is another, like, these are all drugstore products, is the Almei Pure Gold Baby Quad. Nobody ever talks about these quads, but I think they're really good. I really like it. So I'm just going to take this brown matte, just buff a little bit into my crease just to give me a little bit of color. I do like to do like a little bit of a halo effect. Then I think just to give a little bit of pop of color, I'm going to use this Burt's Bees Cream Buttercream eyeshadow. This is new. They just sent that to me. It's okay. It's not the most long lasting, but this is what it looks like. Just going to take this color. If you have long nails, cream eyeshadows are like brutal to use. Just going to pop a little bit onto my lid. I think that looks pretty. I like to look very natural, like I don't want to look too dolled up on meetings. Okay, so my eyes are done. That is easy enough. Now I am going to put my concealer on. The concealer I'm going to be using is from The Ordinary, so it is their high coverage concealer formula, and the shade I have is 2.3Y. I did get two different shades. I don't know the difference really between them. They're very similar. Okay, I think my camera like went weird, but I did put that in. I am gonna set it with a little bit of this NYX yellow powder. It is like my favorite and it really helps, I think. So that is done. So my concealer's on, my under eyes are looking a lot better. I don't like to do like crazy brows, so I'm just gonna use, this is almost done, but it is from Burt's Bees and it's just their brow pencil. They sent it to me a long time ago and you can see that it is loved, so I'm just gonna lightly put this on. My brows are already quite full, so just kind of outlining that. Okay, so the brows are done. Now I do like to put a little bit of bronzer on just to brighten up my face and contour my nose a little bit. The bronzer we're going to use is like on its last leg. I do really like this one. I'm almost done it after like years, but it's just the e.l.f. Baked Bronzer and like nobody ever talks about that, so I'm just gonna do what I do to my nose. Put a little bit of color on my cheek, or carve out my cheeks a little bit. Warm up this face. Okay, I think that's good. So now we're gonna do blush. For blush, I'm gonna use from Burt's Bees the new Strawberry Cream blush. They did send this to me. I promise this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. But they did send me these products for PR, which is quite exciting. So I'm just gonna blend this out. It's very natural looking. Like, I think this is the most natural blush I own. Okay, I like how this blush looks, and then I am just going to put a little bit of highlighter as well. The highlighter I'm going to use is very natural. It's just the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. I've had this forever, and I haven't even came close to hitting pan. I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose, a little bit right here. You've seen this in videos before that I've talked about. Okay, so this is the look so far. I am just going to put a little bit of setting spray on. The setting spray I'm going to use is the Fruit Fetish Make It Last Mango Coconut Setting Spray from Milani. I managed to get this for super cheap and I really like it. It smells really good and I like the Make It Last formula. Then I am going to put a little bit of eyeliner on just to give like a little bit of a smoked out look. I'm just going to use this one from Doll 10. Yeah, it just gives like a little bit of a look, like a little bit of an eyeliner look. Not anything crazy, but I do really like these liners. Then I'm going to use my NYX On The Rise mascara. Sorry for the birds, like I think there's a nest right outside of my room and it drives me crazy. They wake me up every morning. Okay, here's the mascara and we're almost done. Now it's time for lips. Just gonna put on this Burt's Bees Squeezy Tinted Balm and Berry Sorbet. This is new too. They sent this to me. I really like it. It's best applied like on your fingers or with your fingers. Okay, so here is my go-to kind of work from home Zoom call look. I really do like it. These are all drugstore products, and I did use, a variety of brands, but I'd like to thank Burt's Bees for sending me these products. But let me know what you think about this look. I actually Really like it. I think it makes me look really natural and youthful too. So if you'd like to continue seeing these types of videos, then please let me know. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribing, do that. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So I thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.